afternoon, everyone. How's your day? So today is Tuesday, our computer. I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our fourth quarter and we are on our week 4. Our lesson for today, it's all about Internet as a tool. Okay, so do you know how does the internet work? Okay, so the internet has become a large part of our lives that we always see and hear. So WWS and .coms on different media like television, radio, and newspaper. To use the internet more effectively, a good understanding about it is needed. So let us study first the components needed for the internet to work. So ang computer is basically the most important equipment to have in using internet. So children, this is the computer. Okay. So the two internet connection. So the internet connection, a computer itself does not have internet connection. There are many available modes to access the internet. Two of them are the following: the dial-up connection and the broadband connection. So the dial-up connection. So this mode of connection needs a telephone for you to access the internet. The computer is attached to the telephone-enabled modem device. The modem directs the user to the internet, which dials into the line of the internet service provider. The dial-up process then starts transferring data between the servers and the computer. These servers are the store up websites. The computer, the modem, the phone line, the internet service, and the internet. The broadband connection. So this mode of connection basically does not need a phone for a computer to access the internet. This is basically the most convenient connection our home and office use. The broadband is a high-speed internet connection compared to the dial-up connection. The number of computers can share in an internet connection to a router. Have you visited a computer or internet shop? The computers there are connected to the network through the router. The internet browser is a program or software that you use on computer to access the internet. When you open this program, web page can be readily viewed on your computer. Some common internet brochures are the Microsoft Internet Explorer, the Mozilla Firefox, the AOL Explorer, the Apple Safari, the Opera. So these are the some internet brochures. How to use Internet Explorer. Turn your computer, number 2, on your desktop, point to the double-click Internet Explorer program. Parts of an internet brochures. So internet brochures basically have the same parts and functions. So that's all about the parts of the internet brochures, children. Okay, the navigation tools are important elements in the internet. So the navigation tools are important elements in the internet browsing process. It access or assists you in working with the internet. So the navigation tools are back. Number 1, back. Number 2, forward. Number 3, home. Number 4, refresh. Number 5, search. And number 6, stop. So the back. This takes you back to the previous website page you have visited. This works almost like the undo and command. Okay, so the forward. If you have clicked the back button, forward button will take you back to the last website page that you have opened. The home. This tool button will take you to the default website page. Refresh. This tool button updates the website page that you are working on. Search. This tool commands the internet to search on the items loaded. Stop. This tool button stops the loading of the selected website page. So these are the navigation tools: the back, the forward, the home, refresh, search, and stop. Okay, to start searching on the internet, type the website address in address bar and then click in search button. That is all about the internet navigation. You may use any search engine that you desire. The search engine is a computer program that searches websites. This program will bring you to the billions of the hyperlinks around the world. Hyperlinks are the blue underlined words or phrases that appear on your search web page. So children, this is our lesson for today, the internet as a tool. Okay, so the internet is very important nowadays because you can search, Google the information. Okay? Nowadays, you can search everything in the internet. So, the internet is very important. Okay? Okay, so do you understand our lesson, children? Okay, very good. If you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Thank you for your listening.